Hi guys, today we're going to teach you a short video on how to change your header text on Shopify. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On Shopify, simply press Online Store here. And from there, click Customize. And from here, we're going to simply press this heading right here. The way we simply change it is to delete it and change it to whatever we want. See our latest products and hit save. This is the most simple tutorial you'll ever watch in your entire life. And as you can see, when we go back and view your store, it will be changed to whatever we've just changed earlier. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.